Why is a mosquito here? Hey guys, it's Fernand here. Welcome back to today's video. Today I am going to unbox the iPhone 12 Pro Max. And yeah, the phone is here. This is the iPhone 12 Pro Max in gold. And actually planning to film this unboxing with an ASMR scene. So hopefully it works. So yeah, and also together with the phone I have a case with it. And this is the case from the brand called LAUT. And yeah, it's this case. Alright, so this is the case and this how it looks like. And I'll put it on the phone later after the ASMR scene. So yeah, without further ado, let's watch the ASMR scene for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Here is the phone. Let's unbox this. Ooh. This is huge. Together with the phone, we have the cable, the lightning to USB-C cable. Last but not least, let's put on the phone case on the phone. So here is the case, LAUT. Yeah, let's open it. It's huge. Here's the box of the case. There she is. It's so beautiful. Alright guys, so that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoy the ASMR scene for the iPhone 12 Pro Max unboxing. And subscribe to my channel if you like my video. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Wish all the hashtags, likes and tweets will find a way to get